Now, the investigations of attack on Agriculture University in Peshawar of 26th October 2017, it led to the masterminds of APS attack. RAW had hired 3 facilitators for planning the attack on Agriculture University, including Malik Faridoon, who was also involved in planning of APS attack. Malik Faridoon, soon after the APS attack, went to the Indian consulate in Jalalabad to celebrate. He also visited India for medical treatment in 2017. There he remained admitted in Primus Hospital, his name in the patient list, pictures with hospital attendant, and RAW handler Amarjeet Singh validate his connections with RAW. The attackers of Agriculture University were in contact with various Afghan numbers during the attack and live streamed the videos to their handlers. Now, these videos were also uploaded from Afghan IP addresses. While meetings of Altaf Hussain Group with RAW's chief, Mr. Ajit Chaturvedi and Mr. Vikram Sood, were validated by Sarfraz Merchant as well as Muhammad Anwar in their statements. Recently, security forces have discovered RAW-affiliated sleeper cell in Karachi. 13 individuals of the gang have been apprehended and produced in anti-terrorist courts, whereas Mahmood Siddiqui, the main accused who was operating this network, is absconder and residing in India. 2 JITs have been constituted and investigations are underway. On 11th May 2020, Peshawar police became victim of an IED attack, which resulted in injuries to 2 police personnel and 3 others. The attack was masterminded by 2 RAW frontmen, Noor Muhammad and Zabiullah, who were found operating from Indian consulate in Jalalabad. You can see some details on the screen. Busting of this network has averted planned future attacks on some important locations, which can be read on the screen. In June 2020, 3 RAW frontmen, Haji Habibullah, Haji Azizullah, and Haji Bedar, they were employed by Indian consulate Jalalabad, tasked 6 Jamaat-ul-Ahrar terrorists, 3 Pakistanis and 3 Afghan nationals, in Pakistan to identify important personalities for target killing.